I tried Now Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Now Wallet app, I expected a simple crypto manager, nothing fancy. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Now Wallet might be one of the most underrated non-custodial wallets on the market. It gives you full control without sacrificing speed or usability. On day 1, setup took less than a minute. No sign-ups, no kick, and no email. I created a new wallet, wrote down my seed phrase, and was ready to go. That's already a good sign. It's 100% non-custodial, which means you hold your own keys and your own funds. By day 2, I started exploring its built-in exchange. The wallet integrates directly with ChangeKnow, which lets you swap hundreds of coins without ever leaving the app. Process was surprisingly smooth. I swapped some Litecoin in for Ethereum, and the transaction completed in under 5 minutes. No registration, no limits, just simple crypto swapping. Midweek, I tested sending and receiving assets. Transactions were fast and easy to track with real-time notifications. The app supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, and a long list of other major coins plus ERC20 and ERC20 tokens. By day 5, I realized the wallet doesn't just store assets, it also offers staking for certain coins, so you can earn passive income directly within the app. That's a huge plus for long-term holders. The most surprising part, it's completely free. No hidden fees, no subscriptions, and no data tracking. The only fees you pay are blockchain network fees, and even those are clearly shown before each transaction. By the end of the week, the shocking truth was clear. Now Wallet is perfect for people who value freedom and privacy. It's lightweight, secure, and fast, and unlike many competitors, it doesn't try to sell you anything. If you want a wallet that puts you in control without unnecessary complexity, Now Wallet might just be the quiet hero of crypto storage.